What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com and this is just a really quick video to let you know the winner of last week's jam competition. So first of all, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who got involved. I really enjoyed watching all your videos and it's just really nice to actually see you guys doing your thing rather than just me chatting to a camera. I really appreciate the effort that everyone put into this and, I hope it just gave you something fun to do whilst being locked up at home. So I really struggled to pick a winner for this. In pretty much every video I could see some level of improvement, which is what this is all about. But in the end, I decided the winner of the jam competition is GabeTheBabe. His video was awesome, he'd clearly spent time with the track, his improvisation improved, and he even came up with a really cool little groove that went quite nicely along with it. So well done, Gabe. And also, I couldn't not give a mention to Arturo. He clearly put in the most effort and his video was awesome. He made a really cool split screen video. He even recreated the backing track with playing bass and drums and synths and recorded it all live in one take for each instrument, and he even had a pig next to his piano. Something that I think everyone should do if they're serious about playing the piano. So yeah, well done Arturo, and I'm just going to send you a free t-shirt anyway because I enjoyed your video so much. I've linked both those mentioned videos in the description below, so check those out if you want to. And GabeTheBabe and Arturo, send me an email at info@pianopig.com and I'll get those prizes sent out to you ASAP. So thank you so much to everyone who got involved, everyone who watched the videos, everyone who's watching this video. You guys are my true fans and I really appreciate you hanging around. That's about it for this one. I'm thinking about going live next week, maybe transcribing a jazz solo or making a beat or something. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.